So in this session of the MVC, we are going to discuss one question: how to create your own routes. It is a topic which comes under routing in MVC. So this is a question I have given: create one controller name information and define index page one, define a view actually, define a view with name page 1 and page 2. Means we have to create two views inside a controller information, and the name of the views is page 1 and page 2. And after that we have to write one heading in the both pages and run the page after changing the route config file. This much अभी हम लोग इतना करते हैं, then we will proceed to this part. Okay, so for that immediately we have to start the Visual Studio. The practical is started. Here I have to take a project. So I just want to take a new project with the name route creation. This is the name of my project. In the left hand side we have to choose web. In the right hand side we have to choose MVC4 web application. Now just we want to click on OK. One second. Okay. And here we have to choose an empty template, and the view engine must be Razor. It is the latest view engine as included in the MVC4. I just want to click on OK. Now, a blank project will be open. After that, we have to add controller as per the name given in the question. This is called a blank project. Now, right click, controller. We have to click on the controller, then right click, then add controller. Okay, fine. Maybe some visibility issues. So just I want to show you. Controller, then right click, then add control. The name of the controller is given in the question information. Okay, information. Then we have to click on add. Now this is called a controller is created. Controller is created. Information controller is created. Now we have to create a view. Which name view we have to create? Actually, in the question, it is clearly mentioned: define views with the name page 1 and page 2. Page 1 and page 2 view I have to create. Now we know that view is always created with the support of a function. तो पहले हमें एक फंक्शन क्रिएट करना होगा और उस फंक्शन के थ्रू हम व्यूज क्रिएट कर सकते हैं जिसका नाम पेज 1 और पेज 2 होगा. तो नो प्रॉब्लम. Just 1 minute. Let me down. Expanding the size. Public. Action result page 1. This is my first view is created. My function of the first view is created. Now I want to create another view, page 2. जो हमारा डिफॉल्ट व्यू होता है इंडेक्स, ये उसका फंक्शन है। तो इसके लिए हमसे कुछ कहा नहीं गया है, तो जस्ट रीड डाउन दिस पॉइंट्स। Okay, so we have created the two functions in the controller. Now I just want to add page 1. This is my page 1 view. And in this we have to write some heading. Page 1 view of information controller. That's it. A small CSS for highlighting the heading. That's it. अभी कोई पेज आपका एग्जीक्यूट नहीं होगा। Second page, this is the second view with the name page 2 according to the question. I just want to take a copy paste from page 1 and here I just want to put the page number 2. And the CSS also we can take a copy from the page 1 and pasting in the page 2. That's it. One second. Now it's fine. Okay. Let me save all and try to run this project. Expected errors. It is processing. Okay, see. जो कंट्रोलर MVC में डिफॉल्ट होता है, the default controller name is home and the default view name is index. So I have created our own controller with the name of information and the page 1 and page 2. That's why the page is not coming on screen. तो अभी क्या है कि डिफॉल्ट सेटिंग्स जो रूट कॉन्फ़िग में ऑलरेडी हैं उन्हें हमें चेंज करना होगा. Then our page will be displayed. So what is the default setting? Let me show you. I have created a controller with the name information. This is my controller actually. One second. And inside the controller, I have created page 1 and page 2. What is page 1? My first view. And this is my second view. All right. This is my controllers and view. But what about the default? Default controller is always home and the default view is always index. तो ये default है जिसको MVC recognized करता है. But I have changed this default structure with this new structure. अभी हमारा ये structure. तो इस स्ट्रक्चर के अकॉर्डिंग मतलब इंफॉर्मेशन कंट्रोलर एंड पेज 1 पेज 2 के अकॉर्डिंग हमें रूट कॉन्फ़िग को कॉन्फ़िगर करना होगा. तो वेयर इज रूट कॉन्फ़िग? रूट कॉन्फ़िग इज ऑलवेज प्रेजेंट is the configuration file to change the roots, and it's present in app start folder. Okay, so let me show you practically. Go to the solution explorer, app start, root config, second number पे root config. When you will double click, the root config file will be open. Now I just expand it. So this is basically the default root is present. Home is a controller default, index is the view. This is the default root. But I don't want to follow the default root. I want to change this default root. So now the controller is information, correct? I have taken a controller name information. Information. आगे देखो लिखा है information controller. तो no need to mention the controller. It's already considered as controller. And which page you want to run as a default, page 1 or page 2? Page 1. Page 1. All right. Just I want to save all. So now I have changed the default setting. Now my controller will be information and the page 1 will be the default view of the information controller. Let me run this project and see the result or output. The page is processing or running in the background. Now see. Page 1 of the view, page 1 view of information controller is appearing on the screen. So we have done the first task of the question. One second, sure. Create one controller name information and define the view with the name page 1, page 2 we have done. Write one heading in the each page we also have done, and run the page after changing the root config. This much we have done. All right. Now, the second part of the question is create a root with the name new root and URL pattern rnew to display the informations controller second page, that is page 2. अब हमें इस पर काम करना है. We just want to work on this. Okay. So, without wasting the time, I just want to create the new root. So how to create a new root? New root or changing the root always done inside the root config.cs file. This is the C# file. So I just copy this formula of making the root and pasting above very important work we are doing. And what is the root name? The root name is given in the question. What is the name of the root is given in the question? Create a new root. New root. N-E-W, new, R-O-U-T. All right. And what about the URL pattern mentioned in the question? I just want to delete all this URL. And the URL must be rnew slash. तो rnew slash. ओके, अब इस रूट के साथ हमें कौन से कंट्रोलर को और कौन से पेज को मैप करना है. मींस व्हेन द यूजर विल फॉलो दिस रूट और क्लिक दिस URL ऑन द ब्राउजर्स, then which page should be open? Then informations page 2 should be open. I want to show you second page, that is page 2 should be open. So I just want to change this page 1 to page 2. That's it. So my new root is created with the name of new root, and accessing the page, for accessing the page URL is very important. इस URL से हम इस पेज को, इस रूट को एक्सेस करेंगे, और जैसे ही हम ये URL टाइप करेंगे तो इंफॉर्मेशन कंट्रोलर का पेज 2 शुड बी ओपन. तो लेट मी सेव ऑल दिस सेटिंग्स एंड रनिंग. बाय डिफॉल्ट तो हमारा इंफॉर्मेशन का पेज 1 डिस्प्ले होगा, बट ये वाला पेज भी हमें ओपन करना है बाय टाइपिंग दिस URL. ओके, लेट मी रन दिस पेज. तो इंफॉर्मेशन कंट्रोलर का पेज 1 विल बी अपीयर ऑन स्क्रीन. Okay, the page is opening. Okay, page 1 view of information controller means information controller का page 1 display हो रहा है. Now I want to test my newly created. तो rnew. Once again I want to check the URL rnew. That's it. Rnew. You can see that the page 2, yani page 1 is changed with the page 2. Understand? If you are getting confused, I can change the color of the page 2, then you will better understand. Take any other color, and let me take some dark color right now. Okay, and color should be white. Color means this will be the foreground color, and this will be the background color. Let me save all and run the project again. Then you will better understand that page is changing. This is all about the routing example we have done. Okay, fine. Now, how to move from the second page? rnew. Rnew is the pattern or URL pattern of the second page. Now you can see that the page 2 of the view of the information controller is opening. That's it. All right. Okay. Fine. This is all about your question's answer. ये question था हमारा. It was my question based on routing, and we have solved this question completely. Now, if you have any query or confusion, you can ask, no problem. You can ask. Just 1 second.